Hey friends, welcome to Vedyug. I'm your science mentor. We are going to see one of the interesting chapter, which is refraction of light. Dear friends, have you ever observed कि एक पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट उसी पर्टिकुलर कलर का क्यों दिखता है? Why does the sun shine and has a particular color? Why rainbow has only 7 colors? तो एक क्वेश्चंस भी आपके मन में आते होंगे. तो एक क्वेश्चंस का हल करने के लिए, क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए ये चैप्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और साथ ही में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So as we know, light travels in a straight lines, and when an opaque object obstructs its path, a shadow is formed. Shadows change with the relative position of the light source and the object. Dear friends, I want to ask you some couple of questions. In that, my first question would be, what is meant by reflection of light? I know you are going to give answers, so let resonate with each other's answer. So its answer would be, reflection of light is when light bounces off a surface without going through it, is known as reflection. My next question would be, what are the laws of reflection? The laws are, the incident angle is always equal to reflected angle. Then, the incident ray, reflected ray and normal all lie on the same plane. Dear friends, you must have observed, ये मैंने जो क्वेश्चंस किए आपको, ये प्रीवियस क्लास के थे. तो मैंने रिकॉल करने के लिए एक छोटा सा फाउंडेशन तैयार करने के लिए क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे, क्योंकि जो हम इस पार्ट में इस चैप्टर के जो टॉपिक्स कवर करने वाले हैं, विच इंक्लूड्स रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट, लॉज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन एंड रिफ्लेक्टिव इंडेक्स, जिसमें आपको पिछले क्लास का याद रहना ज़रूरी है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. लेट अस फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विथ रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. सो लेट मी टेल यू डियर फ्रेंड्स, light changes its direction when going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, and this is called refraction of light. So when light enters the glass at n, when I am saying this, you must look at the diagram given below. So when light enters the glass at n, refracts at the angle I and exits at m with angle I1 is equal to r. The emergent ray MD is parallel to incident ray AN on PQ, but slightly displaced. I am telling you to think that will the light travel through a glass slab with the same velocity as it travels in the air? The answer would be no. The velocity of light will be different in a glass slab compared to air. And will the velocity of light be the same in all media? इसका भी आंसर नो ही होगा. क्यों? Because the velocity of light depends on the medium it travels through. Let us now learn about laws of refraction. Just like laws of reflection, refraction has also some laws, in which first would be, incident and refracted rays are on opposite sides of the normal and lie in the same plane at the point of incidence. The second law is, the ratio of sin I to sin R is constant for a given pair of media, which would be air or glass. And if I is the angle of incidence and R is the angle of refraction, then sin I divided by sin R will be equal to constant. We call it as n. This second law is also called as Snell's law. So dear friends, ये आपको ये भी ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Now let us learn about refractive index. So the direction of light changes when it enters different media. The refractive index of the medium determines this change in direction. The refractive index varies for different media and different colors of light. Refractive index, which is nothing but speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in the medium. The refractive index is also known as absolute refractive index of the medium. So, when light ray going from medium 1 to medium 2, it is shown by the diagram given below. The refracted ray move towards normal in medium 2, which is the glass medium, and medium 1 is of air. So आपने बहुत बार ये भी ऑब्जर्व किया होगा डियर फ्रेंड्स, जब हम ग्लास में, एक पानी के ग्लास में एक पेंसिल को हम डिप करते हैं तो आपको वो टूटी हुई नजर आती है. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स एज वेल एज रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. सो लेट अस नाउ लर्न अबाउट रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट इन डिफरेंट मीडिया. So light bends towards the normal when it passes from rarer medium to denser medium. You can see the image below. And light bends away from the normal when it passes from a denser medium to a rarer medium. ये भी आपको एक डायग्राम के जरिए नीचे दिया गया है. Normal incidence, that is, the light doesn't change direction or refract at the boundary of two media. So dear friends, these were some basic concepts regarding refraction of light. I once again insist you to observe the things in your surrounding so that your concepts get easily cleared by just observing at the objects or the things which are in your surrounding. So I also insist you to go through from all the notes and PDFs available by us to you. We will definitely meet in our next part of the video covering the remaining portion of this chapter. Till then, happy learning.